What's the difference between modern interior design and contemporary interior design? G'day, I'm Aussie Tobes. I'm a bold Australian interior designer. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Hit the notification bell, like, and subscribe. Alright, so today I'm going to break it down to you what the difference between modern interior design is and contemporary interior design. You hear these words get used a lot in the interior design space and the decorating space, and I don't think people really explain it to clients properly unless it's like me, for example. So a lot of the time when people say, oh, I really want my room to look modern, what they're actually referring to is they actually want to make their room look contemporary. And you're like, oh my gosh, now you're confusing me. The difference between contemporary and modern is contemporary is right now, whereas modern is a mid 20th century style. Okay, and then everyone goes, oh, mid-century modern. That's the first thing that comes to people's mind. They go, oh, okay, I get it. I see where you're coming from. So when people talk about they want something modern now, they're not talking about mid-century modern. They're talking about contemporary. But as interior designers, it's our job to engage with the client and decipher and interpret what the client means. So whenever you're saying, I know exactly when someone says, oh, I want my room to look all modern, they're really just saying, I want my room to look contemporary. So I'll give you an example of what the difference of modern and contemporary is. Right now is contemporary, okay? So everything you see in these so-called modern houses that you guys will keep calling modern is basically contemporary. There is no set era. There's no specific era. It's just whatever the latest things are, the latest trends are. When you look at modern itself, as in not contemporary now, but actual modern itself, you're looking at like it's clean lines, minimalism, it's very functional, very mid 20th century. The two big influences that come to my mind are Bauhaus and Scandinavian style. That is modern, and yes, those Bauhaus and Scandinavian is, does come a little bit into, contemporary style right now. But it's just the words that you use. I always try to encourage clients to use the word contemporary rather than modern because it's technically the wrong word. You should be saying contemporary, but whatever. If you feel comfortable saying modern and you're referring to something right now that's contemporary, I'll work with you on that one. So, but I just thought I'd mention it to you guys and educate you there. So anyway, I hope I have cleared that up for you, the difference between contemporary and modern. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.